Hey Nolan, why can't I squat low?
Let me see. A big reason why you can't squat low might be ankle mobility. So we're back talking about squats, and a common restriction we'll see is lack of dorsiflexion. So what's dorsiflexion? It is the ability to pull the toe toward the shin, so bending your foot back toward yourself. So let's see a squat. What happens when you don't have dorsiflexion is then you can't get your butt low because your ankle stops moving.
Whoa!
So now, if I can't get my butt low, it stays back and high, and then you have to bend forward to counterbalance or else you fall, just like she fell, right? So these are the chair poses you see in yoga class where people are like reaching forward and hunching forward, or the squat where you feel like you're gonna fall over.
Hey Nolan, how do I test that?
So how do I know? How do you know? Yeah, how do you know if I have good dorsiflexion or not? So athletic level dorsiflexion, we consider 4 inches past the toe. So you're bending the knee 4 inches past the toe. The good thing is that a regular yoga block has a 4-inch side to it. So what you can do is take that yoga block, stick it on the wall, okay? So you're gonna take your foot up to the yoga block, keeping the heel down now, don't cheat. You're gonna try to bend your knee toward the wall, and if your knee hits the wall or passes the block, then you have your knee passing 4 inches past your toes, and that would give you a athletic level of dorsiflexion.
If I don't have it, how do I fix it?
So we can do a few things, like in the clinic, commonly your calves are really tight, and so if the calves have adhesions or tightness, we'll do soft tissue work into the calves to help them lengthen. And then what you have to do is you'll have to stretch the calves, right? So you'll have to do something like downward facing dog, okay? And pressing your heels down in down dog is a way to stretch the calves.
I have one more question.
Yeah.
Can I still squat if I don't have enough dorsiflexion?
No, no. You can squat, but what we do is we end up cheating the squat a little to keep everything up the line still in alignment. So what you can do is lift your heels a little bit. So we'll take 2 weight plates here, and she can put her heels on the plate, and what essentially we're doing is faking the dorsiflexion, because since the heels are lifted, the ankles
so low.
don't have to bend as deeply now. And now she can get her butt down so she doesn't have to counterbalance by leaning forward.
Can I wear high heel shoes when I do squats?
High heel shoes is essentially the same thing as lifting heels with support, so if you if that floats your boat, go for it with the high heel squats. Stay tuned next time. We're going to move up the chain and look at more areas that you can fix for your squat.